Hey guys, welcome back to Calorie TV. It's Ree here. In today's video, I made it old school, like on my notes, so y'all know it's about to be informative. Today's video is eating vegan or vegetarian, whichever one, you know, if you're going vegan or vegetarian, this can go either way. So apply to what applies to you without breaking the bank. I hear it a lot and I'm so tired of hearing it because either I found the solution or it don't affect me. So I feel like I found the solution because I hate to be the person that's just like, oh, but that don't affect me. Like, I don't know what they're saying without like giving my tips and like helping others. Because if money is keeping you from being vegetarian or vegan, I would be so happy to say that I can save your day. But if that's not it and there's something else, comment down below and we can talk about that too, and we will get you over that I want to be vegan or vegetarian hump, and then we could like be on the same like green pasture. But anyways, let me stop talking y'all ears off and let's get into the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more vegan and vegetarian videos and all the other videos, and go watch all the other videos. And I will link down below my other, sorry, I got my window up. I will link down below my other vegan and vegetarian videos that I think may be helpful to you guys if you're new to the channel. So stick around and let's go get this information. So first things first, you have to be flexible. Now when I say be flexible, be open to different markets. So for me, I'm gonna go where the product is cheapest because I know I'm gonna get the most bang for my buck. Like there's 3 grocery stores in this immediate area where I live, and then there's a farmer's market, but that's further away. So I go there, I'll go to the farmer's market more so in the summertime. You know, if I don't really have anything planned to do on a Saturday, you know, I'll go and I'll bike around the farmer's market or whatever. You know, I'll go when it's convenient. But as for these other grocery stores, we have Kroger, Aldi's, Publix. They have, if I'm looking for something, I'm gonna go online, pull up the sales paper, and I'm gonna see like, you know, what's, oh, Kroger got it. Kroger is where I'm gonna be. But for the most part, I stick with one grocery store just for the simple, oh, and Walmart as well. But for the most part, I stick with one grocery store because I've kind of learned about this grocery store. So that's really what I stick with. And the grocery store that I personally stick with is Kroger. And let's pay attention to the sales ads. I know that Kroger changes their sales ad every Wednesday. So on that Wednesday or Thursday, I'm gonna go online and I'm gonna check the sales ad. Okay, that sales ad, guys, is gold. Please check the sales ad, because if you're not picky about your diet and you don't eat the same things every week and you're open to change, goes back to the top of being flexible. The other point I made, being flexible. If you're open to change the things that you eat every week, a sales paper is going to be very important to you because you can buy what's on sale. Y'all, when I started looking at the sales paper and truly buying what was on sale, you have no idea how much money I was saving. It was really ridiculous. So if I was planning on having cabbage, but cabbage is not on sale, but I looked at the sales paper and asparagus is 97 cents a pound, we having asparagus that week, we're gonna have cabbage when it's on sale. Or we're gonna have cabbage as well, but you know, we can throw asparagus in there because it's on sale. So now I've like got in my head, okay, on one day we're gonna have asparagus and there's one less vegetable I have to think about, right? So think about it like that. Paying attention to the sales ads also helps you compare prices to other stores. So if you like really need something, so we'll go back to asparagus. So you really need asparagus for this up and coming week, and you're like, dang, Kroger don't got it on sale, but you look in the Publix sales paper and they do. So if you want to get all your groceries from Kroger, and then when you got time, run in Publix, get the on sale asparagus, and you still save money, right? Especially if they're like close and they're not far in distance. If they're far in distance, then of course I'm not talking about that. But if they're like generally close and it's like not more gas to go to the other grocery store, like you won't have to pay in gas what you would be saving by going to the other grocery store. Just go to the one where it's on sale. You gotta do a little work, but we saving money, so don't get to complaining talking about, oh, that's too much. So what you wanna do? You wanna do a little work, be vegan or vegetarian, or you wanna complain? We don't do complaining over here. No complainers on this road. We don't complain on this road. Okay? Okay? We make it happen. We make plans and work hard. This is I'm about to go to the gym sweater. If y'all was wondering, like, why she got this sweater that's stretched out around the neck? I'm going to the gym, guys. Okay? My workout and whatever I put on. So we don't judge on this road either. No judging. The next point is, oh my gosh. I know I said the sales ads have saved me, but y'all, this next one, I think my mama put me on this. Yeah, my mom be getting on all the stuff before me, but she put me on, and when I get on, oh honey, I be on. Check and see if your store, your favorite grocery store, wherever you get your groceries, check and see if they offer digital coupons. Y'all, when I say digital coupons, when I say digital coupons have truly saved my life, especially for Kroger. So what I'll do is, okay, let me try to explain to y'all how I do my groceries. And then after I explain this, let me know in the comments if you want a detailed video on how I actually get my groceries, because I kind of take a lot of steps, and having a video to walk you through it might be more helpful. But I definitely want you guys to get this information. So what I'll do is I will sit down and I will write my grocery list for however many days. So for me personally, I'm gonna make it personal. There's 7 days in a week. I cook 5 out of the 7. Cali cooks 2 the other 2 days of the week. So I'm planning meals for 5 days. So I'll write down on a piece of paper the 5 days that I know I'm gonna have to cook. And then if I don't have anything in mind, you know, sometimes meals come to my mind and I'll write those things down. So then that's automatically what I'm gonna put over, and I'm gonna make a list on the side, like, okay, I wrote down that on Monday, we're gonna have Brussels sprouts and baked sweet potatoes and tofu nuggets. So on the side, I have my little running list. My list is gonna say Brussels sprouts, tofu nuggets, and tofu and sweet potatoes. My 3 items that are gonna be in the meal, right? Okay, simple as that. So from there, once I've, you know, got all my days planned, so I may have some days blank, I may have some vegetables missing, I may have some protein missing, I may have a healthy carb missing, whatever it is that's missing. From there, I'm gonna go look at the sales ad. Okay, now I'm looking at the sales ad and I can fill in those blank spots. Oh, I see this is on sale. Oh, I see this is on sale. This will go with this meal. Perfect. It goes even further to saving money. Once I've looked at the sales ad, I'm gonna go and look at the digital coupons, because sometimes I look at the digital coupons and I realize there are things that I do need to get, but I didn't know they were gonna be, you know, 2 for $1 with this coupon. So now I'm gonna add them to my list. So digital coupons really are a lifesaver. Paying attention to the ads are a lifesaver. And taking the time to make a list is a lifesaver. And the ultimate thing, y'all, and I can say I've been doing this since we moved to this new place. I wasn't doing it at our old place. I don't know why, but I wasn't. But since we moved here, what I've been doing is excuse me guys. So if you have Kroger where you live, they do, well, I guess not all the locations, but some locations do what they call Kroger click lists. So that's how I was explaining, you know, I look at the sales ads, I look at the digital coupons. It's all from an app. But if you guys want a detailed video on how I get my groceries on my phone, please comment below. I'll be happy to do a video on that, and I think it'll be actually really helpful. So I do Kroger click list. So I'm going on there, I'm looking at the sales ad, I'm going on there, I'm downloading digital coupons, and literally, since well, this isn't my list, but let's just say this is my list. If this was my list, then I have the items that I need. Like you just saw, you type them in the search box and you download them to your shopping cart. It's that simple. That keeps me from going in the store, going down all these different aisles, picking up stuff that I didn't need, buying unnecessary items, looking around, roaming around, wasting time. cuts all that out. All time is money. Going down these aisles picking up stuff that's not on the list is wasteful, and I try to save my coins so I can do things I want to do, okay? So I can keep eating vegan on a budget. I mean, y'all, I wish y'all could see. I might try to go find some of like my old receipts from these past grocery trips, but I've gotten groceries for $40-some, $60, $50. I'm trying to think, have my groceries ever been 30 something? Probably. I really be saving, y'all. It'd be crazy, especially if I don't have to buy things like brand new that I don't need and I'm just kind of adding to what I already have. Definitely saving money then. So let's just do a little review. So be flexible on where you purchase your groceries from. Pay attention to the sale ads. Check for digital coupons. After comparing sales and coupons and ads, make a grocery list. Stick to your grocery list. Only buy what's on your grocery list, and try to do like curbside assistance pickup if they offer it, just to keep you from going in the store and getting off track. And those have really been my top tips on saving money for groceries, and I've been loving it, guys. You guys have no idea. My grocery budget is, I made it $70 for 2 people. So those are my top tips for saving money and going, you know, buying vegan and vegetarian groceries without breaking the bank. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend. Leave me your questions down below. I love when you guys ask me questions. I love when you guys give me video suggestions. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you for coming to the channel and watching again. Thumbs up for more vegan and vegetarian videos, and let me know what you guys want to see. I love you guys. Bye.